Hey everybody, as always, I hope you're doing well out there. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my latest purchase. This is the X5 squirrel-proof feeder from the company More Birds. And as I do with all my purchases, I bought this item with my own money. I get nothing for doing these videos. But I kind of like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody else out there who's thinking about buying the same item and wants to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, how does it work, that kind of thing. So, sorry, this box is rather large. Might be kind of hard to do an unboxing video. But let's take everything out and take a look at the feeder itself. So if you've watched my videos before, you know I buy a lot of bird items. I'll talk to you in a second about why I bought this bird feeder. That's pretty cool. So it does have a metal top. I was reading some of the reviews online and people were complaining about plastic, but the top here is metal, this part is metal, the bottom is metal. So first let me show you why I bought this feeder. Currently this is the feeder I'm using. I tend to have better luck with these tube style feeders than other feeders, but my issue with this feeder is it's only got 2 feeding ports on it. Squirrels aren't a huge problem here, but the issue I run into is I just don't have enough ports for birds. This one has 7 ports, and it also holds a lot more seed than this one. I think from the website it holds 3.5 pounds of seed, so it's rather large, high capacity. The tube is plastic, which is expected. So I'm going to start taking it apart, get some seed in it. We'll see if any birds like it. When I take it apart, if there's anything you need to know as far as the assembly, I'll let you know. I'll post it in the video as well. Okay, so I've had a few minutes to read the directions, look at the feeder, kind of get a feel for how it works. So I was going to show you a couple things before I put it out there. The top of it has basically a twist close feature. So right now it's closed. If you want to open it, you just press down and you twist it to the right, and that allows you to open the feeder and feed it. It's kind of nice. It's got this metal rod that goes through the middle that keeps your top attached, so you don't have to worry about taking the top off, put it back on. It stays attached and it just swivels with this middle plastic piece. Once you've got your seed in, you just put it on, press down, twist it closed. Plastic tube, as I mentioned before. At the bottom here, and I don't know if you're going to be able to see this real well, there's basically 2 little arms, and then there's some directions for plus and minus. You can turn this to adjust the sensitivity of the weight of the feeder. And this is important because it basically is going to allow you to control which birds can get on there and which ones can't, as well as squirrel size. So if you've got a squirrel that's getting on here and it's not dropping to close those feeder ports, you can adjust that so that it's looser. You just follow the plus or minus and go whichever direction you're wanting to. There's also a metal screw here in the middle that you can undo and it'll allow you to take the bottom off for cleaning purposes. But it's really well made. Everything seems pretty sturdy on it. I'm going to go ahead and fill it up with some sunflower and we'll see if we get any birds that like it.